Hey, what's up, guys? This is your boy again, live in Ghana. We are here this year to, work on the project. And this video I'm about to show you guys is just all about how we run the electricals. Right now, we have not even passed the cable yet because we don't want all these cable thieves, these copper thieves, to come in and pull out all the cables. So what we're trying to do is that when we run all the cables, then we put it live, like we connect it to the main grid, like to the pole right here. So when they bring the meter, we just connect it right away. So that's what we plan to do. So if anybody wants to pull the cable stand, it's their own peril. So guys, if you enjoy after watching this video, you like it, please share with your family and friends. Hit the subscribe button so that you subscribe to our channel and help us grow, and also hit the notification bell so that you can get notified when new content is being uploaded on this channel. And don't forget to give us that usual fat thumbs up, and also your comment in the comment section is highly appreciated. Alright guys, today I'm just gonna show you, like I said, what we plan to do with the electricals connection. We're from the US, so we try to bring most of our appliances from the US. So this here is the porch to the main to the main house. So here we have two different sockets. Right here we have the 220 volts and the 110 volts from the US. That's how we read everything. I'm going to show you how we connect everything in a moment. So we put some here on the porch so that if you want to do anything, maybe Christmas light or anything. And we also have one right here on the outside. The same thing, 220 and 110 volts. So since that side is boarded up, I'm going to use the other side, the balcony of the dining area, to come in. So here too, on this part, we also have the 220 and the 110. Now we enter into the hallway. We make sure that we have enough. You never can tell what you need. We make sure that we have enough of outlets everywhere in this living area. This is just one section of it. I'm not even make it 360 times. So you can see that we have, each of them is 220 and 110. And when I make a 360 turn, you see another one over there. We're going to have the TV console, and right here behind this thing they put right here, we also have, if you can see it, we have one set right there, and we have another set on the other side. Like I said, you never can tell when you'll be needing all these things, and you don't want to be running extension sockets all over the place. So it's better to have them than to be in need of them. So here again, also in the dining section, we have, people might say it's too much, fine, but I don't know, that's how we just decided to do it. So we have 220 and 110 right here, and across on the other side we have another set of two, another set of two right here, then here we have another set of two. So we basically kind of do it like the way we have in our house here in the United States, because we have more than enough sockets that we need. So at some point in time, it just come handy, and here is where we have the stove going to be a huge stove right there. Then we have two different sockets, same 110 and 220 on one side, and on the other side we have another set, and here too we have another set. Maybe I want to plug some blenders or whatever, and here you want to put your coffee machine or rice cooker, and here we also have two. One is going to be for the garbage disposal, because here's going to be where the sink at, and on top of here we have another two. This is also 110 and 120. No, I think this is just 110, and the other one is for the cable. So because we're going to mount the TV right there. The TV is going to be right here on that part, and we're going to have the AC on this part, and you also have the AC connection right there. 110 and 220, and also we have the French door refrigerator that's going to be right here. On this part, here's the utility area. There's going to be a collapsible door right here that separates it from, the main kitchen. We have the washer, which is also 110 and 120 and 220, and also the dryer, 110 and 220. Like I said, we are bringing on the appliances from the United States. We don't want to risk buying from here, and then it doesn't, because it hurts stories about people that bought from here. Here's the pantry, and we decided to just put another set of sockets right here. You never can tell. You might want to do something that needs power in the pantry. So here's the pantry area. So that is it. Now from here we move. There's gonna be a glass door right here that separates the kitchen from, the hallway. And this one is just normal switches for lights. Then we also have a set of sockets right here. Another set of sockets right there. Then we have here. And here, actually, this was where the staircase used to be, because there's another one right here. Because of the error made in construction of like I said, when we started this channel, like the house, the front of the house face our neighbor, so that used to be where the staircase is. So we moved the staircase from there up to here now. So we have another two set of sockets right here, and a switch that controls the light and the staircase area. One controls it there, and there's another one that also controls the upstairs, so you can switch it on either side. Then here as well, we have the switch for the light and for the AC. Then we have the sockets, 110 and 220 on one side, 110 and 220 on that side, 110 and 220 on this side. The same thing goes for the bedroom. So you can see another here. We just don't want to lack anything. There's the powder room. We have, just normal switch. Here too, we have two different ones here, 110 and 220, and also this part, 110 and 220, and that one is where the TV will be at, and the cable TV. So that's also 110 and 220 in the first bedroom downstairs. There's another one over there, and that's the switch for the AC, and that's the AC mounting over there. The same thing goes for the bathroom right here. You know, so we have here the 110 and 120. And there's the switch that you turn on before you go to the bathroom. Now move to the second bedroom. The same thing here. We have the sockets for the 110 and 220 and the other ones for the TV. You can see all the sockets right there. So then for the AC over there. So also have it right there. So now we move so this is the where you have the main switch. It's gonna be right here. There's where all the control board's gonna be at. Everything is gonna be right here. So now we go upstairs. So there's the loft area. The loft area too has the same thing. 2 sockets, 110 and 220 on this side, and 110 and 220 on this side that leads to the guest room. You can see the guest room too. There's one set here, and when you turn, there's another set, and there's another set. And here is the switch for the light and the fan, and there's another switch for the light and the fan. Depending on where you're coming from, you know, if there's a guest here, we lock this door up, and the person used this to go downstairs. That person has his own privacy. And here we also have the same thing here everywhere. So I'm gonna go to the sitting area. That's for if I don't want to be disturbed downstairs. Just come right here and have some quiet time with myself. That's the sitting area for me, like a man cave, and that leads to the balcony upstairs. You can see we have one here, one there, one here, and another one here. You know, depending on where you put the couch might block this side, then you have this other side to use, or you put the couch here, then you have this other side to use. And here is where you mount the TV. So from the bird's eye view here, you can see the living area. And we also have 2 sets here, one on this side and the other one on the other side, in case you want to, connect something. And here is for the AC. Now let's go to bedroom number 4. Same thing here. You have the sockets. And you have for the switches and for the TV. The TV and the cable. Then you have right here. And that's another switch for light. You don't need to get up and turn the light off. You can just turn it over there. And you have another one here. And the same thing goes for the bathroom. We're going to connect your shaving clipper or hair clipper or whatever it is. Here is going to be the control room for the CCTV. You see, everything is all set up for connection and for mounting of the hardware, the gadgets. The same thing in this fifth bedroom. Here is you have the TV connection, the power connection, the light switches and for the fan, and also you have two sets right here. You put the bed right here, and that's another switch for the light, so that you don't need to get up to turn on the light. The same thing here. You know, all the bedrooms are in suite. You can see same thing right here. Now let's go to the master bedroom. And the master hallway, you also have two here, one for the light switch here. Then we have another set right here. If you want to vacuum, you want to clean, you know, you have something to connect it on. And here you have the switches and the sockets. There's the sockets right here, and this here you have for the TV and the cable. And here we have another setup right here, and here's for the AC and the AC power, the switch. We have another socket right there. You know, everywhere here. They move to the sitting area of the master bedroom. We have more than enough sockets here. We have one here, another set here, another set, and another set, and another set. So here you also have the TV mount here. I mean, the TV for the TV here. You have the switches for the cable and everything. So on this part on the outside, we have another set over there on the balcony to the master bedroom. So the same thing with the bathroom. We have the switches right here. We have a water heater over there, and we have two right here and two over there. You know, so guys, this is, you know, the tour of the house, showing how we intend to do the electricals here. The appliances will be, like I said, will be brought from the US. Everything we brought from the US and installed here. I'm going to have something that the electrician is going to connect to that part where we have the main switch. So that one comes when we have the meter. Said I forgot how he calls it. Something like a step down thing, but this one steps everything down for the whole house. So it's going to connect it somewhere, I think around here or something like that. Then before it goes inside the main switch. So that's going to step it down, step the 220 down to 120, and the other part goes to the main 220. So guys, this is what we got right now. If you like this video, if you love it, if you gained something from it, kindly give us that thumbs up, the fat one, share with your family and friends, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so that you can get notified when we post new videos. And don't forget, we're also new here. In the comment section, let us know your views, let your opinions, what we can do better. And if you have any questions, please let us know. We'll answer all your questions, and as truthful and urgently as possible. In this channel, we don't hide anything. We bring the videos to you raw. We don't filter, we don't do nothing. We give it to you raw. So we give you the raw answers you need to those questions. And if you need any contacts, any of our artisans, you let us know. The house is in Kumasi, and all of them travel elsewhere to go do jobs. All right, guys. Thanks for staying with us. And we'll see you, and we'll talk to you in the next video. Peace.